This is Jess from JessHuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to make a mane with individual strands for my Amigurumi pattern, Lawrence the Lion. At this point, your lion should be fully assembled. The first thing you need to do is cut some strands of yarn that are one even length. I'm going to show you an easy trick for that. Grab something like a business card or credit card, then wrap your yarn around it several times. Then take a pair of scissors and cut along one edge. Now that you have some yarn strands, identify the rounds on the head that were worked into the back loop only. We are going to attach a strand of yarn into each exposed back loop. Fold a strand of yarn in half. Insert your hook under one of the back loops. Use your hook to pull the strand through the back loop, forming a new loop on your hook. Yarn over and use your hook to pull the loose ends through the loop on your hook. Then tighten the loop down. And that's all there is to it. Repeat this process in every exposed loop on the head. You've now completed a mane with individual strands for your lion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified about my future videos. Thanks for watching!